here through the phone is a wee bit more.
Good morning folks, it is Sunday the 25th of February and up in Loch Cairnhead. We're an hour and 45 minutes in to a hike. We're planning on maybe doing 2 Corbetts. I think I'm maybe just going to go and do the one. I think you pronounce it Meal and Shallock. I think so. I'm out with Dave, I'm out with Paul, I'm out with Ali. I'll put the channels in the description. It's a beautiful day, very still day.
Warm.
It's 3 hours and 40 minutes. Pretty well we got up here, but we take it easy. Plenty of photos, plenty of videos. But the views are something else. 360 views all the way around. Check these out, guys. Check these out. That's looking at the Lord's Range over here. Ben Lomond out here. Ben Moore. Ben Louis at the back. God, they're all on display. They're all on display.
Hoping never see it. I'm near ease, watching you sleep, watching you smile. Oh, my daughter, always looking for you, and I'll be there whenever you need me. Be my Spider-Woman, I'll be your Spider-Man.
You nearly had it. You nearly had it, Dave. The bone. That's us coming down off the summit. Currently just at the 5 hour mark. Spent a good bit of time at the summit. The guy said rolls and pie with beans. Can't lack it. Ideal. I say we're just heading down at the snow line. Then we'll pick up the path, head back to the cart. Back down onto the path, currently at 5 hour 40 minute mark. A bit of heather bashing, heavy snow, deep snow up the top there, zigzag around through the rocks, and of course heather up in the boggy section, so probably summertime, got a bog fest, but not so bad to now, still a wee bit of frost on the ground. Brilliant day, fantastic day. Just check this out, check that view I've got. That's us done and dusted. Cracking day, cracking conditions up there. We're just coming in at just over 7 hours and just 12.8 mile. So fantastic height. Good to get that Corbett done. I had done that one before. I'd done the other one at the other side of it. So we're planning to maybe do the two. But see, once we got that lunch, the boys made a lunch, pie and beans on a roll. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna cut off here, guys. If you managed to watch it this far, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.